All right, it's been 20 years, I can hardly believe it, since I wrote that song, the Fiddle Jam Blues. And I have to say, it's been a educational home run for a lot of people. Not to be tooting my own horn, but I've had thousands of people learn this song world over, and it kind of coalesces all the things I taught in the Fiddle Jam book. It's got a two-fingered melody, pretty easy to play. It's got a two-fingered jamming pattern, and it's got a two-fingered backup. A lot of two fingers there. A boogie-woogie backup. So it's pretty cool. One time I went to Lawrence, Kansas to do a bunch of Fiddle Jam clinics. And the fellow that had me into the school teacher, he later was introducing me at an American String Teacher Conference. And he said, yeah, I had Jeff come in to my school in September, he said, to do a clinic. And he taught the kids the Fiddle Jam Blues. And it took me until December to regain control of my class. The kids wouldn't stop playing it. So I guess that's a home run, right? When the kids want to play something, they don't want to stop playing it. So anyways, that's pretty cool. So I thought 20 years, it's time for an update as far as the stuff on my site here, as far as how I teach it. Pretty much just posted the materials from the book on the site. But now I'm going to go a little deeper and actually sell this song, this one song, as something separate. And I hope you like it. If you're interested in doing anything not in the classical realm and breaking out of the box, this is a great way to start. It's got a boogie-woogie backup. Actually, in this one I use a two-fingered. It's called the low two boogie-woogie blues. 2 fingers and 2 strings. Everything's twos in this one. The melody, nothing but first and third finger. All right. And the jamming is D blues. Open, low 2 and 3, and the D and A strings will get you all the way through it. So if you want to learn this, I think it's a pretty cool song. Not just because I wrote it, but it benefited a lot of people, and it's fun. You can hear the track down below, and let's do it together, all right? Let's change the world one fiddler at a time. Have everybody being happy and being creative and having fun with their fiddle.